Hello, this is Luke from Total Parts Pro today with a 2013 Nissan Navara, stock number 6725. This ran from the 1st 2007 to the 8th 2015. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is the YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left hand headlight needs polish. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch factory only maggot tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left rear 16-inch factory only maggot tyre. Left hand taillight. Right rear 16-inch factory only maggot tyre. Right hand door mirror. Right front door code, right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear shifter, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory full scope vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,